In this video, I will introduce all the useful tools accessible in NUITEQ Snowflake through the corner menu icon. The corner menu and the tools it contains are reachable from any app within NUITEQ Snowflake by pressing the Q icon at the bottom right or bottom left of the screen. The mute icon will disable sound. Selecting the icon again will turn the sound on. The annotate icon opens up a new menu on the left of your screen. Here you can access different menu icons. The pen icon allows you to draw on the screen. The text icon allows you to type words. The eraser icon can be used to remove parts of your annotations, while the delete icon clears all the annotations at once. Press the save icon to save your annotations. By pressing the arrow, you can collapse the annotate menu. The Zones icon provides you with quick access to the Zones app. Zones allow the Snowflake app to be divided into multiple screens. For more information on how to use Zones, please see the Zones tutorial video. The Rotate icon will turn the screen upside down, which is particularly useful when you are using the screen in tabletop mode. It will allow you to customize the rotation of each individual zone when in the Zones app. The desktop icon will minimize NUITEQ Snowflake and allow you to access your desktop. To access Snowflake again, click on the NUITEQ Snowflake icon on your taskbar. This will maximize Snowflake. The timer icon opens up the timer widget. You can set the timer in minutes and/or seconds by scrolling up and down. When you've set the timer, you can start it by pressing play. The timer will then slowly turn from green to red as the time runs out. The timer widget can be easily moved anywhere on the screen. Close the timer widget by clicking on the X. The Start Recording icon will allow you to record your activity in NUITEQ Snowflake. By clicking on the corner menu again and clicking Stop Recording, you stop the process and your recording is saved automatically. Your recording is saved in the NUITEQ Snowflake folder on your computer, which is found inside your Documents folder. By pressing the Spotlight icon, you can highlight a small part of your screen. This is helpful to vary the level of sensory stimulation for your students. The Spotlight is touch responsive, the location can be moved, and the size can be increased or decreased. Close the Spotlight feature by clicking on the X icon. The Color Overlay icon will open a palette of different color filters. From here, you can choose a color and then use the slider to adjust the transparency. This tool can increase accessibility for students with language or reading-based disabilities. Click anywhere on the screen to leave the color palette. The Send Feedback icon will open up a text box. There you can leave your feedback or report a bug. The Elementary icon will allow you to toggle between elementary and secondary mode in Snowflake. Elementary mode is designed for elementary students and contains apps and favorite lesson activities that are suitable for that age. The design is simple and aimed towards younger students. In contrast, secondary mode is adapted to the needs of secondary education students, both design-wise and in the shortcuts you can find on the main screen. Saving an image of your screen is simple with the screenshot icon that can be found inside any app. The file is saved in your NUITEQ Snowflake folder in your computer, which you can find inside your computer Documents folder. At the bottom of the corner menu, you can access the configurator by pressing the cogwheel icon. In the configurator, you can change the language you use in Snowflake, the background of the main screen, and add or remove apps from the main menu. NUITEQ Snowflake supports over 40 languages. You can close down NUITEQ Snowflake by pressing the Exit Snowflake icon when in the main screen.